Hey guys, how are you doing? This is just a heads up video about latest promotional offers going on at Wondershare software store. Wondershare WhatsApp chat transfer application is very popular when it comes to transferring data, especially the WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. WhatsApp have built-in transfer features like, for example, if you're using Move to iOS application in Android, you can move all your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. That will be good for smaller size of WhatsApp chats data like less than 10 GB or 15 GB. People who have like more than 20 GB, or even recently one of my friend transferred a 70 GB of data, which took several hours, like it was showing more than 4 days of time to do the move to iOS transfer. But in between, within few hours, it got failed. So in such cases, the paid application like Wondershare software helped us to transfer all the data from Android to iPhone. Similar to that, if you want to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android, the built-in Move Chats to Android feature is helpful for smaller size of backup data. If that is becoming a failure, then you need to consider Wondershare software. And during this Valentine's Day special offers period, you can save up to 50%. I'll talk about that quickly in this episode so that you can choose the right set of license, you can save some money, and you can use the license whenever you want, or if it is going to be a one time, then I'll suggest you the right set of option. I have a detailed video, step-by-step video about how to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone already published in our channel. So if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. Kindly check that before purchasing and using the software. And the very important thing is, like, the WhatsApp business chats transfer is not possible with the Move to iOS or the Move Chats to Android feature in both Android and iPhone. Right now, the only method to transfer WhatsApp business chats from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android can be done with the Wondershare software. And here you can see they have split the software into three functionalities. Like if you want just the WhatsApp transfer for 1 year license, they have provided yearly plan. And for Windows or Mac operating system based on the computer you have, you need to choose that. And the license fee price will also be different according to that. So if it is a Mac OS, you will see that it is $36, and for Windows, it is $23.99 after the discount applied to it. So 20% off on each of the functionalities have been given here. And during this Valentine's Day special promotional offer, the Wondershare WhatsApp discount coupons will be good for the entire feature package also. If it is affordable to you, consider purchasing the mobile full features, where the WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, where you can transfer your photos, contacts, and all the compatible apps data to your between the platform Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. And here you can see the backup and restore to manage your Android to, whether you're moving from Android to Android, or from older Android version to higher Android version, or from iPhone to iPhones, and then this backup and restore option could be helpful. So all these features combined, you can see that for Windows right now it is around $40, and for Mac OS it is $51.99 instead of $89.99. When you go for the yearly plan, the pricing is different. When you go for the perpetual plan, there will be extra $10 or $15 price difference. My suggestion is, if you're confused to choose between them, just you have to think about one thing, whether it is going to be a one-time use or whether any of your family members or friends will be using it in future. And at that time, you cannot again spend some money or wait for offers to buy the software. So if you have a plan to use it in future or help out your friends, or you can combine with your friends who are planning to upgrade, and then you can buy a license and during this offer promotional period and use it in future also. So in such cases, instead of yearly plan, go with the perpetual plan. You can use it for long term. With the current offers around $30 discount, it will be a big saving is what I think. So compare the pricing and choose between the correct set of operating system. Even if you choose wrong, it is not a matter. You can pay the difference and upgrade or downgrade later by contacting the Wondershare software. I have choose it wrong first, as I mentioned in the video of the step-by-step instructions about how to do the transfer of WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. So at that time, I contacted the Wondershare support. They were quickly responded to my email, and they fixed the problem with the switching of license between the Mac OS to Windows. Initially, the Mac OS license was not working with my case, so I had to move to the Windows computer, and in order to do the WhatsApp chats transfer from Android to iPhone. So do check the video also. That is very, very important. And then choose the license carefully based on which license you need, whether yearly or perpetual plan. So I hope this information helped you to save some money during this Valentine's Day special promotional offer to help you transfer WhatsApp chats between your devices. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad, and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.